Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can recover your hacked Instagram. So if your account has been hacked by a hacker and hacker has changed your phone number or email address, now you want to recover your Instagram, I'm going to show you how you can recover it without email or phone number. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So first of all, open your Instagram, enter your username, click on forget, then click on can't reset password, then click on try another way, then click on my account was hacked. Now select yes, I have photo of myself in the account, so make sure that you have any photo or video in your account. If you want to recover hacked, then simply click on next, then enter any email address where they can reach you. Enter the email address and you will get the verification code, and also you need to verify your email address. Click on continue. Now enter the verification code on the email address which you have just entered. So check your mail and enter the verification code here, then simply click on continue. So once it's done, now capture your selfie video of 10 seconds or 15 seconds, then follow the step. Once the video selfie has been captured, then simply click on submit video. So don't worry, they won't post your video public. Then simply click on submit video. So once the video is submitted, you will receive email in 3 to 2 days on your email address where they will let you know how you can reset your password. You will get access back to your account. So hope this video helps you to recover your Instagram account. This is how I have recovered my Instagram account. So hope this will work for you too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.